Sure.
Once the tower shaft, no, this one, once the gear on coming from the tower shaft, this is driven by the accessory gearbox. This is transfer gearbox. We have a shaft here, this is the gear, and this is connected. No? So once this is what? This is rotating, the N2 also rotates. No? Yes. We're on the inner part of this is where the N1 is located. So the N1 or the N2, N1 at the center of the N1 or the N2 is where the N1. So the N1 shaft drives the four stages of booster compressor plus the huge. Okay, so that's this thing. Okay, so you might see this.
Americana.
No, this one.
There.
Okay, so this is the accessory gearbox power output shaft connected to the transfer gearbox. And we have a shaft here connected to the lever gear which drives the N. This one, these two booster stages here is located. So this one, this is our N1, the inner shaft. So the inner shaft is the N1, and the shaft of this one, this is connected to this connection of that. Once this shaft, once the pneumatic starter rotates, accessory gears are also rotating. There is a power shaft here, okay, connected to the transfer gearbox. Then the transfer gearbox from here to this portion, okay. So as you can see,
Cái của không mua rồi. Không mua thì chơi MC nữa rồi. Đi MC. Mai nữa. Dùng này.
this is the
Đặt thôi. Cho đi. Cho đi.
this.
Say so. Say kia.
Yeah. Uh,
Bây giờ xong một hai. Chơi. Làm lòng khó thế hả? Đấy.
okay. What's the purpose of this block? Okay. Okay, so we have the NPT ACC, conversion turbine application control. Then we have also the 7, okay, so we call this as the outlet guide vanes, OGV, and these are the 12 units for the fan vanes. What's number 2? What's number 2? Grills. What do you call this? Huh? V, VB. Because the VSB are integrated inside the high pressure compressor. The VBB, okay, the variable bleed valves, these are 12 units, and it has a master variable bleed valve and it has has a master PCB, and the 11 units, which completes the 12 units for the battery in one side. These are slave from 9 o'clock position of battery. You still remember? Very good. How about this one? You do have this? What's this? So we have the HPTACC, high pressure turbine active PLC wall. This one uses two air, no? Big airs coming from the high pressure compressor. On our Matic system, we can purge fuel from the we can heat air from the fifth and ninth stages. On this part, we can breathe air from fourth and fifth. Okay, so this is also controlled by the ECU. Okay, so this one controls by the ECU for allowing the air coming from the fourth, coming from the ninth, or it could be fourth and ninth, or it can be controlled from the first two. Regardless, so there are four operations for the HPACC. Low air, okay, fourth air, or third one is ninth air, or it can be fourth and fifth. Okay, as you can see here, what's the purpose of the HPACC is for the high pressure turbine stability, for the improvement and efficiency of the high pressure turbine. Okay, and you can see this one on the right hand side, which is our nine version. Okay, this one, this is the number 8, this is our total equivalent amplitude of command, and this is the high pressure turbine compressor. Okay, so we have here on the top, that's the monthly mount. Monthly mount, we do have this monthly mount. As you can see guys, we do have you need to see this to be so you need to see this this. No? So this is the where we can this is the location where this is located. How many stages? Four. Four stages. So okay, so this one, then this one last, no, before we proceed on the next, we're going to obtain some onboard time verification calculation. Okay, so this is the area. So this is what? Primary, secondary. Who said that? Primary, secondary. Okay. Primary produces 25% air coming from what part? Here or here? No? This is the primary. Okay. So it produces 25% of air. Okay. Whereas the 75% of air, so this is what we call secondary. Secondary. Yeah. Secondary, or they call this also bypass air, okay, or punch air. Okay. And this produces 75%. Okay. How about on the center? Is there any visible any direct or any muscle gases? What happened? What usually happens? Elimination the